Okay, so the idea that BNGO, Bionano Genomics, would soon raise some money in a public offering or direct offering, yeah, that's happening. So this just came out about 10 minutes ago. So I'm going to go over this article with you, so stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I'm Richard Allen. I'm an entrepreneur and I've been a successful retail trader and investor for many, many years. I'm actually doing a 10K to 100K challenge right now over on my Patreon and Discord, where I have to try to 10x my money over the next year, and it's been a crazy week already. So if you're interested in getting an updated watch list from me on a daily basis, but also live trading updates, there'll be a link in the description for my Patreon down below. Now, let's jump right into the Bionano Genomics news. Look, guys, look at this. Bionano Genomics announces proposed underwritten public offering of common stock. Now, we don't really have any details on this yet in terms of how much of an offering they will be doing or at what price. But here we go. Announced today that it plans to offer and sell, subject to market and other condition, shares of its common stock in an underwritten public offering. Now, if we look at the share price right now for BNGO, let's pull this baby up. It looks like it is dropping after hours. It closed at $5 per share. It's at $4.54 now. So if you're still holding this and you bought in the $4s or the $5 range or $6 something when it was up there just a couple days ago, I feel for you right now, but I do think that this stock will come back. I think they have some really good prospects in the long term, but we'll see how the market reacts right now. It looks like it is trading quite a bit down about 10%. So it also says here, there can be no assurance as to whether or when an offering may be completed or the actual size or terms of the offering. So again, we don't know. And we've seen this kind of thing. If you follow my channel, you know Nano Dimension has done this kind of thing multiple times. I also did say that this could be the case with Bionano Genomics or BNGO, that they could go on a similar kind of track to Nano Dimension and that they could be doing some sort of offering. So guys, it's happening. We don't know the details yet, obviously. It says the shares being offered pursuant to the shelf registration statement on the S3, previously filed on August 14th, 2020, and declared effective by the SEC on August 25th, 2020. Let's just jump over to SEC right now and see what we have available. Again, this is fresh news, guys, so I want to try to bring it to you as quickly as I can, but YouTube only lets me do it so quick. Let's see, 1-4. So there was an 8K on the 4th, but I don't see anything brand new. But if I learn more, I'll bring you some more news, okay? So, guys, thank you so much. I just wanted to give you a quick video on BNGO. They are doing a public offering, not a direct offering. We know that there's a big difference between public and direct offerings. Nano Dimension has been doing direct offerings. What a direct offering is they actually enter into agreements with companies or investors or investment funds like ARK Invest or something like that. And they enter into agreements saying, hey, we have 30 more million shares available. We want to sell them at $7.50 or whatever, right? And then they get sold in a matter of a few days. With a public offering, there is pretty much immediate share dilution when this happens, and that's why the stock is reacting like it is. It's now down at $4.40 per share. It seems to be falling further. Now, there is a lot of room for this to go down because this was a 60-cent share back just a couple weeks ago. So you guys got to factor that out when you think of BNGO. I don't think it's going to drop that far, but it certainly could. So if you're still holding on to this, I think there's quite a bit more downside here, mainly because of the uncertainty of where the offering is going to be. If they put it at $3 or something, guys, or $2 or whatever, right? It could drop the stock quite a bit. So it's just something to be aware of. Again, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. If you're interested in getting that watch list or live trading updates from me when I make them over on the Patreon and Discord, or just maybe you want to see me try to 10x my money, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. I think I will, but we'll see. It's been a crazy week. Yeah, BNGO just went to like 420. Trying to pay attention to it. Now it's back up to 430. The market is erratic, people. It really is. But thank you so much. If you're interested in the Patreon, patreon.com/I'm Richard Allen. As always, if you didn't already do it, click that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.